Welcome to this video presentation here at Glenbourne's. Here we have the Mini Hatchback on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space of the vehicle. First, as we approach the back of the car, you can see that we've got plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Should you wish to increase this space even further, you can also lift up the tray for more space underneath that as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle, and the fuel gauge on the right-hand side. You can also see there's a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy info. You can also see the total miles for the car. They are 58,020. Over into the central area next, we have, of course, your stereo. So you can use this dial to go through any of the menus you see on screen, or you can access the main things directly. For example, your radio, where we've got FM, AM and DAB. Press the media button for your own music. We have USB and auxiliary inputs. You can press the telephone to then pair up your phone as well. Main volume for the stereo is just on the left-hand side there. Beneath that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the fan speed in the center, the passenger and the driver temperature. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed. Air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. Or hit auto, which is what we were on just a moment ago. The car will now take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain those temperatures. Press auto again to put it back on your own setting. Beneath that, this is where you start and stop the engine. This is where you can turn off your traction control. And you can turn off the stop and start, which isn't the same thing as this. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic. That in turn will save you fuel. That system is switched off when this light shows. We have a 12-volt charging socket, auxiliary and USB inputs, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you.